In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a Notion template on Shopify. We'll go from preparing your Notion template all the way to publishing your product and testing the buying experience so everything is ready for customers before you start promoting it. First, make sure your Notion template is fully finished and ready to duplicate. This means the layout should be clean, the pages should be organized, and any example content should look polished and intentional. Before you share anything publicly, take a moment to review the template from a buyer's perspective. Check that the instructions inside the template are easy to understand, that the database views work properly, and that there's nothing private left inside the workspace. If there's placeholder content, make sure it feels helpful rather than confusing. Once the template is ready, go into Notion and turn on the option to share it to the web. This makes the page accessible through a public link, which is necessary if customers are going to receive it after purchase. After that, enable the setting that allows others to duplicate the template. This part is essential because without it, buyers may be able to view the page but not actually copy it into their own Notion workspace. Next, copy the public template link. This is the link you'll later provide to customers, so make sure you're copying the correct shared version and not a private internal link. It's a good idea to open the link in an incognito window or a browser where you're not logged into Notion, just to confirm that it works the way a customer would expect. Now switch over to Shopify and create a new digital product. This is where you'll build the product listing that customers will see in your store. Add the title of your template and write a clear description that explains what the template does, who it's for, and what kind of result it helps them achieve. Then upload screenshots that show the template clearly. Choose images that highlight the structure, design, and practical value of the product. Set your price carefully based on the template's usefulness and presentation. After that, add the Notion template link as the digital delivery file, or include it in the download note, depending on how your store is set up for digital fulfillment. The key is making sure the customer receives the link immediately and clearly after checkout. Finally, publish the product and test the checkout process yourself. Go through the full experience to confirm that the product page looks good, payment works properly, and the delivery message includes the correct Notion template link. This final check helps you catch any small issues before real customers do, and it gives you confidence that your digital product is ready to sell.